Hello, my YouTube fans. I'm so excited today because I have decided to do a voiceover for this video. I mostly do not do this, but I just want to do this for you to know that I have you all at heart and I'm doing my best to bring you the best of it all. If you like my content and everything that I am bringing on board, please hit the subscribe button. But I know that you can support me to get to the top. These are wonderful styles, Maxi styles that I have brought to you to inspire you, because Maxi dresses makes us feel free whenever we wear them. Sometimes you just want to wear something that makes you move around freely. That is why I decided to do this video. And if you like what you are seeing, please support me by subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all.